Hello everybody and welcome in today's episode on Grainificent. In today's episode I will be talking a little bit about what is a point and shoot camera and who is it good for. A lot of people ask me what should they start with, what kind of camera should they start with their journey with film photography. And I always advise, if you're not a photographer who knows your manual settings, aperture, shutter speed, and ISO, you don't know nothing about that, and you want to start just in film photography to get that nice film photography look on your photos, the best camera to start with is a point and shoot camera. In a point and shoot camera, you have no control whatsoever about anything. You just wind the film, you point it and shoot it, just like that, and your photo's taken. Of course, you got to remember about some things. In the shadows and inside buildings, you have to turn on your flash and always use the flash. Other than that, in a nice sunny day, you just take your photos. And a camera like this is very cheap, simple to use. There's basically nothing to learn about it, and it gets you started in your film photography journey. When you're done, you rewind the film back, you take it to a lab, and you have great photos that are on film, that are tangible. You can have them in your hand, not 1,000 photos on your computer that will never see the light of day anymore. If you're just starting film photography, or you're interested in just starting film photography, and you don't want to care about all the exposures and everything, you just want to take a simple photo, just point and shoot. That's why them cameras are called point and shoot cameras, because there's nothing about them. The more advanced ones have some manual control that you can change some things, but the basic ones, just like this is the Kodak M38, I will have a video linked in the description below where I show more how it works and talk more about it with example photos shot on Kodak film. That's what a point and shoot camera is. You look through the viewfinder up here and the lens takes the photo on the film. There is no manual control. You just wind your film and take a photo, point it and shoot it. That's the simple process behind it. And they're not too large. They go in the pocket, so you can take it anywhere you go. So thank you for watching, my friends. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button so you can help with the YouTube algorithm. And if you're interested in film related content, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you don't miss any amazing content I post. And of course, on my channel, we talk about film photography, teach about different cameras, how to use them, and all that stuff related to film photography. So if you're interested, remember to subscribe, and see you in the next video, my friends. Take care.